Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to quickly fix and adjust the brightness in Battlefield 6 so your gameplay looks clearer and easier to see. Let's get started. First, open the Battlefield 6 and go to the option menu. And from here, scroll over and select Accessibility. And under this section, you'll find World Brightness. Adjust the slider to make the game brighter or darker depending on what looks best for you. Move it slowly and check the background until you find the preferred brightness level. Fine-tune even more, go back to the options menu and open the graphics. Here you'll see the world brightness again and plus the UI brightness, which controls how bright the menus look, and adjust this as well if the HUD feels too dim or too bright. Here you can also tweak other settings like sharpness, field of view, and turn off the motion blur, film grain, and chromatic aberration for cleaner image. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.